This is Tim from Your 6 Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix if you're not able to delete applications on your iPad. So this is easy. Just go to settings right here, scroll on down, and we're looking for screen time right here. Tap screen time, then go down to content and privacy restrictions. This is pretty much your parental controls. Now I have it turned on the top. We can just simply turn it off and that will allow you to delete them. But if you want to keep this on, go to iTunes and App Store purchases right here. There is an option in here, it's called deleting apps. You need to make sure this is allowed. If you don't have this allowed, you won't be able to delete apps off your iPad. So you can see this is allowed right here, and then we can go back to the home screen and find an application you want to remove. Maybe like, I don't know, something like, how about Roblox? Just go to Roblox, and then you should have the option to remove this. So just tap it, remove the app, delete it, and then you should be good to go. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. Did leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below.